So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I come at you on a slightly gloomy Sunday. I didn't get much riding done yesterday and it was actually quite sunny, so it's a bit of a missed opportunity there. I'm going to be picking up my partner Minjung, who works at Simmos Coffee on a Sunday. She works, and it's in Stratford, near Stratford. So from here to there it's about 40 minutes away. So I'm gonna head on the bike in a minute, go and pick her up, and then apparently she said there's a canal nearby. We're gonna have a little wander around there as well. Let's go. Okie dokie. I've been raring to get on the bike all weekend. I can't tell you how much I've just... This is the thing about this bike, or just bikes in general, I guess. You just want to ride them all the time. Well, you don't see this every day, especially on a dual carriageway. What? Fantastic. All right, let's go. Little bit of rain, but not too much. It's not too bad actually. It's actually okay. And so far the traffic doesn't seem too bad either. But that's saying nothing because we're not in the heart yet, are we? I don't know why I didn't add an extra layer on today underneath, just a jacket or something underneath this jacket. Usually when I do that I'm golden. Yeah, I've definitely been raring to go on the bike this weekend, I've got to say. Sometimes you just have that real itch to get on the bike. I was looking for an excuse. Sporty Mazda over there with a great thwacking exhaust. Oh, hopefully this tunnel will be warm. Just might warm me up a little bit. Please. Oh, it's definitely warmer in here. That's nice. Oh, and into the spitting rain. Suddenly it's raining. Oh dear. You see, like roads like this that are 20. What is the point of this being 20? It's just stupid. Okay, we're nearly here. Let's go. We're here. I just want to park over there where the motorcycles are, so I'm going to double back. There we go. Perfect. Okay, we're here. This is Simmos Coffee near Stratford. We made it despite freezing our bollocks off a little bit, but other than that I'd say it was okay, and no more rain, so that's good. So I'm here at Simmos Coffee with my partner, come to pick her up. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Made me a lovely coffee with a, what pattern was it?
Seahorse.
Seahorse coffee artwork. And we're going to go for a walk now because just over this way is the River Lea. And if you follow the River Lea, it's a river. If you follow it south, it goes into the Thames, right? Mm. So we're not going to follow it all the way, but we're going to go some of the way. But then what were you saying about this place?
So it apparently used to be a horse hotel.
A horse hotel, and those little things there, the horses.
Like a window for the horses to peek out.
So the horses would peek their little heads out of the little bits.
Yeah, and then now this place is converted into some sort of like a studio for the artists. So a lot of artists lived here. It's kind of like an apartment for the artist.
Okay, cool. Should we go to the River Lea, have a little wander before it gets too dark? But such a lovely coffee shop. This it's really nice. It's like very chilled out vibe. Look, check it out. Simmos Specialty Coffee near Stratford, not too far away. And it's just really nice. So yeah, if we walk this way, the bike is over there. So and the weather is a little bit grim, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not. Oh yeah, tattoo studio here.
Tattoo studio here as well.
What's this? Tattoo studio? Wow.
Leather workshop.
Leather workshop?
Yeah, they do like lots of
fantastic. Look at that. So overall, really interesting part of London.
Apparently, what's her name?
FKA Twigs?
Yeah, she has a studio around here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And then lots of casinos by sometimes.
Well, it's kind of a bit trendy, isn't it? It's a bit of a trendy place, you've got to admit. Okay, this is the River Lea. Would you call it a canal? I guess you would, wouldn't you? Because look, these are canal boats. Okay, so I'm trying to think which way is south from here. It might be this way, but basically the River Lea comes all the way through here. So I'm guessing that if we follow it this way, it goes in and then it will eventually join at the Thames. And it'll join the Thames sort of, I'm not sure whereabouts, but really trendy area, isn't it this? Which way do we walk then? There you go, look, River Lea. This place here is the old Fort Locks. This area.
It is, look, Fish Island.
Fish Island, yeah, but this is the old Fort Lock, this bit here.
I always call it Fish Island.
Minja works on Fish Island. Hello, mate. I've made a friend. I think he wants to talk. Maybe he just wants bread. I haven't got any bread, I'm sorry. We're going to keep on walking now. Are you going to follow me down there? You want to come with me? Okay, let's go, come on. I'm going this way. Yeah, he's trying to keep up with me, look. Hey, buddy. So this is lovely because I believe this is the route. So if you follow this down all the way south, this leads into the River Thames. But currently this is the River Lea, and it's just a beautiful canal. You can see all the canal boats all down here as you go along. There's so many. It reminds me of Regent's Canal. Similar to that, isn't it? It's just so pretty. We'll have to come back here in spring and summer, won't we? Yeah. Lovely. There's my friend. He's still following us around. He's caught up. Oh, that's him really showing his speed. Look, he's like, I'm way faster than you. This is what Minjung wanted to show me.
It's an artwork.
Someone built a birdhouse. No, I'm not a bird expert, but I don't know what bird this is. It's a bit dinosaur-esque, isn't it? With its sort of pterodactyl beak. How you feeling, Minjung? Freezing. We got back in one piece. It was a nice journey back, if not a bit nippy. And I thought that I was filming it and it wasn't recording the whole trip back. I was talking, making some commentary, taking in the scene. Didn't get any of it, but never mind. We're back, aren't we? So, did you enjoy it, Minjung? Really nice, but again, pretty cold. So, better get this bike in. Oh, I thought there was a car coming then. But yeah, good. The bike was great. What I was saying on the camera back was just how great this bike feels to ride. Every time I'm riding it, it's just does so well. Coming back, we were on a bit of a sort of dual carriageway for a while. 50, there was one point where it's 70. The engine's just great. For a single, it's absolutely fantastic. It really holds its own. And one thing I've noticed, and I don't know if you can tell me in the comments, but I don't know if this is exclusively to this engine or singles, or maybe it's twin engines as well, but after it's been on a prolonged period of time going quite fast, you know, dual carriageway speeds, motorway speeds, when you come back onto a 30-mile-an-hour road, the engine feels so much smoother. Maybe it's the engine having warmed up, but it just feels less raspy than when you start it up from cold. So it just sort of feels better and better the more you use it. It loves it. But I love this bike. And lovely trip, wasn't it? Really lovely trip. Minjung works in a great place. So anyway, thank you for watching. Anyway, thank you for watching today's video. Please subscribe, like the video if you did, and comment if you've got anything to say. I really appreciate all the views, and I'll see you in the next one.